Hello, Chamois Noir with Intero Real Estate, and welcome to the Chamois Noir Show. Today we're privileged to interview our preferred real estate attorney with the Hernandez Law Group. This episode will feature obtain assistance from your lender when defaulting the loan. I'd like to introduce Christy Hernandez, the managing attorney and founder of the Hernandez Law Group. Welcome, Christy, and tell me a little bit about yourself and your company.
Sure. I've been practicing law for 14 years, and my expertise is in foreclosure and real estate. And Hernandez Law Group, we're really a firm that focuses on helping people in property distress. So a client for us would be someone who's maybe behind on the mortgage, and they're wanting to come in and talk to a lawyer to understand what are their options to solve that problem.
Okay. Excellent. I have a couple questions for you today. The first one is, are the banks still helping people get modifications?
So not like they used to. Back in the day, there was the HAMP loan modifications, which were government-backed loan mods, and those are no longer an opportunity for homeowners.
Okay.
They don't offer them anymore. So what we're seeing is the lenders' in-house programs are the only mods that are available, and the lenders are really unlikely to approve people. So just loan mods in general are going away.
Okay. Do the banks have to cooperate or give clients a modification now?
The Homeowners Bill of Rights says that a lender must consider an applicant for modification. So they've got to review the application and they have to make a decision. But there's no law that mandates that a lender must approve you. So you could really need a mod and still not get approved, even if you're well qualified, because the law does not require it.
Oh, that's not good. What are some of the main issues that will prevent a homeowner from getting approved on a modification?
The biggest thing that I'm seeing in my practice that prevents somebody from getting a loan mod right now is the increase in the values of the property. So what we're seeing is for somebody who's got equity in their home, for example, and they apply for a loan mod, the lender looks at that homeowner as someone who can solve their own problem, right? You go sell your house, you're gonna pay us off in full, you don't owe us anything, so we're all happy. So for a homeowner who's desperately trying to keep their home, it's not a good scenario. In this case, to have equity. So equity right now is the biggest preventer of modification approval.
Okay. And if a homeowner gets approved for modification, does the lender waive principal?
So this is another thing that used to happen in like the good old days of loan mod. They give principal balance forgiveness. But now, because of the equity and the increased property values, the lenders have no incentive to forgive any principal balance. So in my practice, I'm telling clients, do not expect any principal forgiveness, even if you get approved for a loan mod. It's not going to happen.
Okay. Thanks for joining me today, Chris Hernandez. You've provided us with a wealth of knowledge regarding distressed properties and homeowners in need of critical help. The Hernandez Law Group is our go-to company in regards to distressed properties. If you have any specific legal needs, please contact me. I'll also put you directly in touch with the Hernandez Law Group. To my viewers, thank you so much for joining me today on the Chamois Noir Show. Be sure to tune in for future episodes. Have a great day.